Hi, this is Matt at Vault Insurance and Investments. Thank you for watching the channel. Today we're going to talk about 5 common mistakes that people make during open enrollment. Number 1 is not selecting the tax credit option. So basically, some would say they don't make it easy, and this is how it is phrased in our state. It says, do you want to apply for help to pay for your premiums, out-of-pocket costs, or apply for Washington Apple Health, Medicaid? That says yes or no. A lot of times people see the Medicaid and they say, I don't want the Apple plan, I want a paid for plan, so they check no. But this is also the same question to apply for your premiums, for the tax credit. So if you do want a tax credit, check yes, and then you'll know you checked yes because they're going to ask for income questions, employment questions, things like that. Number 2, not including all sources of income. So there are some things that don't count towards your adjusted gross. When in doubt, consult your tax advisor and ask him for what he believes to be your most likely adjusted gross income in 2018. You can go in and edit your income throughout the year, and we do encourage you to do that. And again, income is based on how you file according to your taxes. So if you're married filing jointly, it's you and your spouse. Number 3, editing your account and then failing to resubmit. So in the exchange, it'll have like a progress bar on the top, 1 through, let's say, 5. And if you see that it's not complete, you need to go through each page again and then re-sign at the end. So do that, because otherwise things can get a little hairy there. Number 4, not updating your application annually. If you haven't logged in your account in over a year, you are going to need to reset your account as well, or reset your password. But you do want to make sure to update your household size, your income, your address, and then in particular your email. A lot of people used an old email, and so they're not getting notices, which segues right into the last problem, number 5, not submitting requested documents in a timely manner. I've had a lot of people say, I never got the document. Well, then you find that they've used an old email. So just because you applied during open enrollment doesn't mean that someone's not going to ask you for proof of income or something else, proof of citizenship down the road. So keep an eye out for that, because if you fail to get that to them, they will drop you. You will not be insured. And that is not a qualifying event. You will not be able to get a plan until January of next year. So just to recap, not selecting the tax credit option, not including all sources of income, editing your account and then failing to resubmit, not updating your application annually, and not submitting the requested documents in a timely manner. Thanks for watching the channel today. We'll have some other videos out here shortly to help you. Have a great week.